My name is Julia and I was taking English classes in Harley House in 2014 with Andy. He's just the best teacher I've ever met, and I would call his classes awakening classes because they not only awake your potential to speak in English, but also they awake you as a critically thinking human being. I really like his methods of teaching and think he's doing his job very well. And the Harley House, the classes gave me opportunity to learn about US culture, US history, to meet new friends. Every class was different every day. We were learning new vocabulary, did oral presentations, worked in groups a lot. And it really gives you power to speak in English, to be confident. And you can meet many new friends, which is great. And if you're looking for English classes in New York, I guess I would highly recommend. I guess it's the best choice.